What do you actually want to do with your life? Hey, I'm EJ and this is day 42 of becoming the person I want my kids to see. That question is actually hard to answer. I used to think I needed to know exactly what I wanted to become before I could start. What career, what business, how much money, what kind of life. But the longer I go through this journey, the more I realize maybe I don't need to have all the answers yet. Maybe I just need to start becoming the person who can create the life I want. That's one of the reasons I started working out. Not just to build muscle. I want to become more disciplined, healthier, stronger, more consistent. Because if I want to build a better life for myself and my kids, I need to become a better version of myself first. I still don't know exactly where this journey will take me, but I know who I want to become along the way. And maybe that's enough for now. You don't need to know the entire destination. Sometimes you just need to know what kind of person you want to become. And start acting like that person. One day, one workout, one habit, one better version of myself.